A key component of being able to manage your workspace effectively is to be able to identify the potential of an asset failing before it actually fails. Bellrock have been addressing this for quite some time, and I've built an integrated IoT interpretation layer within the Concerto software. And in very brief term, what this allows the system to do is to take any level of IoT devices dotted across your estate, whether they be temperature devices, vibration analysis, flow, volume, or oxygen levels. We can take the information that are transmitted from those devices and plot those readings within the Concerto platform. These readings can then be pushed out into our analytics layer and aggregated to give you a sense of how your assets are performing. Where we differentiate ourselves is that we actually have a built-in workflow engine off the back of our IoT devices. And in effect, what this means is that we're able, based upon parameters received from that device, is push these warnings or these parameters through a series of workflows to drive interventions from either internal staff or external supply chain partners. As you can see here in this example, we have a new alarm that's been generated. On the second instance of that alarm, we'll notify the on-site FM or an FM team. We can then potentially inform a client, but then more importantly, we can create a reactive help desk job which will generate a works order which will be distributed to a member of the supply chain or an internal engineer and inform them that a particular device may be potentially failing. So as you can see here, within our Bellrock Peat house, based upon the workflow I've just shown you, we can see that we had a failed device in that it was beyond tolerance in terms of its value, and we've automatically assigned that workflow to Bellrock Mobile, who will then attend site and resolve that issue. And all of that can be achieved without any human intervention from either the on-site team or from a building user. Alongside of that, we can also push IFC or 3D models out to the individual performing that intervention to give them a sense of how they need to get to the space and what that particular asset might look like once they've arrived in that space. All of this information is browser derived and can be displayed through either tablets or PCs, which can be accessed during or before that intervention is made.